So, if you want ChatGPT to teach you any topic, any skill online, this is how you do it. Let me teach you. You come after you've already signed up the ChatGPT. You come to ChatGPT like this. You now give it this prompt. What is this prompt? You say, you are my teacher with over 25 years of experience in teaching. I want to use this book. There's one book that they call how to win friends and influence people. I'm just citing that one as an example. And I told it that I want to use how to win friends and influence people as a learning. Now I want you to teach me step by step from chapter 1 of the book to the last chapter. I told it I want a long content I will learn from, and I want the teachings and I want to I want is a mistake I did and it's corrected. I want the teachings and I want to apply it to my business. Also where I'm lacking my business. I said that you should use the book to teach me step by step till I'm seeing results. I want also assessments to test what I've learned so far. You can now give it that. See, you want to use AI to teach you anything. Don't just come to ChatGPT and just be typing, teach me digital marketing, teach me economics. No. It won't teach you. The prompt you must give it must be well detailed. You can copy this one, and at the end you can say, teach me in a way primary 5 students will understand. Or you can just put at the end of your prompt, you can just put ELS 10. What is mean that in English language that 10 years old will understand? If you send it to ChatGPT like this, it will start teaching you. You can see we'll treat this like a practical class. The goal is not just to read, as you can see, and it will start teaching you. Now, this is another prompt you can use. You can see I'm a complete beginner. Teach me digital marketing in 30 days. Give me a daily study plan with specific tasks. Now you have a personal curriculum built in seconds. No, this one is not amount. This is another one. Give me a daily study plan with a specific task. You can now add to it that teach me in a way primary 5 students will understand, and send it. It will start teaching you in a way primary 5 students will understand. As you can see. Now, another way you can now use ChatGPT to teach you any topic is, let me show you. You see this place, this aspect, you click on it. Once you click on it, you will scroll down. When you scroll, you will see this thing here, study and learn. Click on it. As you can see, it said it is your step-by-step guide to learning anything. It will break down complex problems with approachable guided explanation. It will prepare you for test your knowledge with quizzes on the topic you are learning, and you explore it will go deep on any topic and ask any question. If you say on continue, what it's telling you now is anything you are learning now, it will be teaching you and be asking you questions and still be testing you. If I send it to it like this, anything will be giving me, it will be like it's teaching me directly. That's the essence of that study you are seeing, study and learn. So the way it will be teaching me now is like, you see what he said. He said before we start, one quick question so I can teach you at the right level. How comfortable are you with these 3 things? He's asking me. Just answer like this: beginner, average, or good, as you can see. So this is how it will start teaching you one by one. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to teach you anything. And if you are confused, you can just come to ChatGPT and say you are a professional. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button now so that you don't miss the next video we'll be dropping. So you can give it this one that you are a professional teacher with over 25 years of experience. Teach me, or you can just say I am a complete beginner. Teach me like a primary 5 student. I want to learn about money. Send it to it. It will start teaching you like a primary 5 student. You see, we will learn about money like a simple class, as you can see. First, I want to understand your point. One simple question. When you hear the word money, what do you think it means? So he's asking you a question before you start, which means that when you hear the word money, what do you think? That answer you give it will now make you to know how it will start teaching you. So this is how to use ChatGPT to teach you any topic. Thank you.